Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Over here I will show you how to make quick and easy desserts, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple single serving easy mixed berry dump cake. So if this sounds like some content that you like, please consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here go all the ingredients you'll need. 1 box of cake mix. I'm using traditional white, mixed berries, or you could use any berries of your choice. And 1.5 sticks of butter, and also a 1/2 cup of sugar. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add our mixed berries to our ramekins. And again, you could use whatever dish that you would like, but for this purpose, I'm doing single servings, so I'm going to use these ramekins. Now we're going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar in each ramekin. Now we're just going to stir everything up just to make sure all the berries are covered with that sugar. Now with your cake mix, you just want to cover the entire top of your berries, making sure that you reach the top of the ramekin. Now we're just going to level it with a spatula, or you can even use your hand. Now we're going to be putting our butter on top. And we want to cover the entire thing, so if you have to cut extra butter, do so, but we want to make sure we cover the entire thing with butter. So now we're going to place our dump cakes in the oven on 350 for about 35 minutes. So now once we let these cool, we're going to go ahead and top these off with some powdered sugar. Last but not least, we're going to top it off with a little whipped cream, and just like that, we made ourselves some single serve mixed berry dump cakes. These came out so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, there's more to come. So subscribe today and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post. Until the next time, you guys, peace. If you like content like this, I recommend you check out my creme brulee recipe.